Lokubambisana phakathi kukahulumeni neSABC Southern Africa kuhloswe ngakho kwehlisa ukutheleleka ngaleli gciwane. iSABC inikele ngamalitha izinkulungwane eziyishumi ezibulala amagciwane, izifonyo ezizinkulungwane ezingama-20 kanye namabhokisi ezinkulungwane eziyishumi zamaphepha esikole ngasinye.
We were handing over resources to 300 schools in our neighborhood communities in eMpumalanga in conjunction with government, so that quality education can resume while the prevention of the spread of COVID-19 in schools is curbed, speaks directly to our support for these two SDGs.
Umnyango wemfundo yesisekelo usemukele ngezandla ezimhlophe lesi sipho.
Obligation to open schools and live side by side with COVID-19. But for us to successfully do that, we know also as a sector that we had to strengthen our non-pharmaceutical as the advice of health.
Kuleli sonto kuhlangana unyaka kusukela kwaqala ukugoma kuze kube imanje bayizigidi ezingama-32 abantu asebegomile.
Almost 17 million adult South Africans from the age of 18 and older have been fully vaccinated, and this translates to 42% of the target population of 39 million in our country.
Iphini likamengameli wezwe lithi ubudlelwane phakathi bomkhakha ozimele nokahulumeni bubalulekile ekulweni ukunqanda ukusabalala kwe-COVID-19.
We have to rebuild our economy. We have to create employment opportunities and ensure that livelihoods are improved and sustained. We have to ensure that corporate players like Sappi continues to expand local investment, access to skills development opportunities.
UMabuza uvakashele isikhungo esiqeqesha amakhono eSABC kanye nasesikhumulweni samatekisi kuyogqugquzela abashayeli kanye nabagibeli kuba bagome. Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe wezempilo wethu ngokomthetho umkhankaso wokugqugquzela intsha kuba igome #kiredi noma #IamReady entshonanga yePitoli namhlanje. Izigidi ezinhlanu kwengu-17.1 wezigidi intsha esagomile okwamanje.
The big drawback is the young people between 18 years and 34. So we believe that when the message is led, the whole campaign is led by young professionals, other young people. We hope that young artists, young activists overall will be joining the campaign and reclaiming their own space.
uDokotela uMphahla ubephelekezelwa yiPhini likangqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme nokuqeqeshwa ubudimana ogcizelele ukuthi izikhungo zemfundo ephakeme zinegunya lokuvimba abafundi abagagomile kuba bangene kuzo.
And we understand that universities have the autonomy to determine what happens in their campuses, but we have finalized guidelines which we've used to support universities in determining their access policy.